It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking from the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart.
Oh my gosh.
You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between your eyes.